WTF files. I was wondering if you know that every word you say to me is not nice. That means you're nice when you're writing because you refuse to go to jail and prison and stay out of my way. And you decide to write? To who? To myself? What are the chances of that? A compliment is when you won't get out and go to jail and prison. Are you leaving me nice messages on the comments because you are not going to jail or prison for any reason? You're not going to jail, then prison for any need. You're not going to jail. You're just not going to jail. Because there's nothing wrong with you to yourself. You don't even mind hearing that I think you belong in jail. You don't mind. But there's nothing wrong with you. Okay, so we're at a standstill. We're at a crossroads. We're at a fork in the road. We are at a stagnation. I am deceased. We are not we this way. It's we this way. You can't say we from your genitals to my genitals because it's not alive that way. I have we with my genitals to the creator of my genitals. It's we that way. You don't really have a we if you want to just don't argue. You don't have I and we with anyone if you just want to don't argue. If you want to don't argue and you don't go to jail and prison, that's not really an argument. It's not true. You're not in jail and you're arguing with myself that I'm not speaking for God to yourself about your need to be in jail with your God. And if you don't like me, put your God in jail. Don't put me in jail. Put your God in jail. And it's not me. That's what you said. That's what made you angry. I'm not your God, and I can't put you in jail. That's you needing to go to jail with your God and put your God in jail because you're trying to implicate him in the crime lording that you are, leaving comments on the internet. And you don't create the internet, you have genitals. Yeah, I'm not on the internet if you're not on the internet. It's not the other way around. It's not any other way.